Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva website to Namecheap domain 2026. But first you will need to make sure that you have a Canva Pro account and your Canva website is published, the domain both from Namecheap, and you have the access to Namecheap DNS settings. So if you hit the requirements, you will need to log in at first to the canva.com with your account and then just open your project or your website. So for example, we'll go with that one. So here you will need to go, let's consider that your website, okay? So here you will need just to go with share, and after that you will need to go with websites option below. So just click that option and then just go with an option right here. You will find that similar to that one, but it says use a custom domain, so it's different than get a new domain, okay, because I already used one. Then just click on connect new domain and enter your site, for example, domain, and then just click on continue and leave this Canva page open. All right, so copy exactly what Canva shows. I'm talking about the DNS record, okay? So usually it's a CNAME and sometimes TXT. And then just open the Namecheap DNS manager. So to do that, you will need to go to the namecheap.com and then just sign in with your account. All right. And after that, you will need to go with the dashboard, all right, inside your account. For example, you will need to enter the username, password, and then you will be able to see an option that says dashboard. So in the dashboard, you will find an option. It says domain list. Click it and click manage next to your domain and open the advanced DNS tab. And just right there, you will need to type on the type option CNAME record, on the host www, on the value your site.canva.site, for example, and then set the TTL to automatic. Okay, and then just click on save and continue. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.